Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. I hope you are doing well. So today I want to do this quick unboxing. It's so difficult for me to wait when I receive a package from Falcon Travelers. I will leave, of course, all the information down below. There is a coupon code for your first purchase. And so it comes in a box, but on top of this, there is plastic, like a plastic sleeve. That comes with the packaging so that just in case if it gets wet or if it's rainy in your area, there isn't damage. So Monique, if you follow her Facebook group, she has these sales, and for this one I purchased something from her spring sale and very excited to see what's inside. I also purchased some other items as well, so let's review that together. Oh, looks like Martin packaged it here. So if you are not aware, they hand make everything. So everything from the stitching, for an example, this one right here, this is the natural leather one. Everything is hand stitched. So there aren't any marks or, you know, sometimes you get that sewing mark from on the edge there, but for her notebooks, everything is handmade. So even like the dyeing process, everything is handmade. So sorry, I know you probably want me to get on with it, so let me move this over and start off with the goodies. Oh, she included this extra goodie. I ordered this bookmark, so let me open it up. So I ordered an extra bookmark here. It says, "See the good." I like to order these bookmarks just to have them around. When you order a custom notebook, it will come with a bookmark and you can choose what you want to write on it. Some of these sale item bookmarks, some of the sale item notebooks do not come with the leather tag, but they do still come with a bookmark like this. So if you want your own personalized one, you can always order it separately. And they're very lengthy, so you can customize it to your notebook. I usually end up tying it a little bit higher and then making it a little bit shorter, but I really like her bookmarks. And then this extra goodie, so let's see what it is. Oh, it's the corner bookmark here. If you purchase something using my code down below, you will also get this free gift as well. This says Falcon Travelers, and then it has the red stitching, and it is with the natural leather. And if you are new to her notebooks, the leather is very nice quality. And like I said, she hand dyes them. They're more on the firmer side, but of course they get, you know, soft with use. So let me show you here how this corner page would work. Let me find a blank. This is just my work planner here. Okay, so for example, if you want to bookmark, let's say you need an extra spot, or you want to keep something open, you can just slide that. Sorry, I took too many pages there. You can just slide that in there like this. Really pretty. And that holds it open. That's really nice. I'm gonna actually use this, start using it right away. But yes, like I said, if you want to use the code down below, you will receive this free gift as well with the special stitching as well. I will post a couple of other people. I found Amy Graham. She posted a video recently or several weeks ago with her purchase, as well as I think I saw several videos from Mystery Arts and Crafts as well. Yes, she did a Murder She Wrote one. And so I will leave both of their channels down below. And so I ordered 3 items, and so I think I'm going to take these out and share with you. And then this is the information here. Tools of the trade, Falcon Travelers. A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. And then this is their business card and information. So let's start with this thin one right here. This is a folder. Oh, I ordered a folder for my field note size, and like I said, I just chose the natural leather. I just wanted something similar to this, or it's probably exactly the same. So this is the color variants. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's a little bit dark here. It's hard to tell the difference because of the lighting, but it is definitely lighter than the one over here. I've been using this for several months now. This is their new logo here, Falcon Travelers, you can see. So this is their new logo, Falcon Travelers, and then the one previously, she didn't have the Falcon there. This one is the older one. Before it said Lady Falcon Travelers, so they removed the lady there, but she's included that logo. So yes, I just ordered a simple folder for my field notes. Let's see if this will fit. Actually, I'm going to do the unboxing first, and then I will test this out, because I know this is going to get way too long if I keep going. So there's the leather one. Like I said, the stitching is all done by hand, and the edges are nicely burnished, so it's not like raw or anything. And there's these little 2 indentations for the elastic. Like I mentioned, her leather is more on the firm side, so it's not like too floppy, and it has a lot of structure, so if I held it up into place, it's not going to just flop over. And yes, it's really, really nice. And of course you can choose your own color as well, but like I said, I wanted to do a natural one just to see it. I like to see it age and patina. So there's that. This is one of the sale items. She had a spring sale, and then she added additional items to the sale, so then I did another purchase. So I am very excited to see this one here. Oh wow, that color is so pretty. So I've never really gotten the engraving done before. I did get the Sakura one on a passport size, but I did it on the back. The color is very pretty. Oh, this is really nice. I don't know if it's so hard to see because of the lighting, but I will include some close-ups here later on in the video, or I will try my best to insert them in the optimal spots. But it is such a very pretty color combination. I'm not like a huge moon person. I know a lot of people, some people follow moon phases and things, and I don't really follow it closely, but I had to get it because I wanted to look at the color variation, and it looked really beautiful online. So I knew there was this line in the middle. She posted a photo. Oh, okay, let me show you the inside as well. She posted a photo of it, so I knew about the line in the middle there, but I thought maybe I could like sand this part down just a little bit, or just leave it as is. But this color probably just rubbed off a little bit from the elastic. That color is so nice. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's very, very pretty. It's very smooth as well. It doesn't feel oily or anything like that. Sometimes I get the question like if the covers are oily or dry inside or anything, but it's very, very smooth. I hope you can hear that. So let's look at the inside. They've started including the certificate of authenticity for Falcon Travelers. This is the original leather line. She has different leather lines. The original, which is like these types of leather, and then there's the peregrine or peregrine line as well, and I'm not sure if there's another one. This one is called the Velvet Moon leather color, so I think this variation, the coloring that she's done here, is called Velvet Moon. The size is in the weeks, and then the style is professional. So she has different variations. I shouldn't say she because I know it's her and her husband, and I believe she has sometimes she has other people helping her as well. But so, oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, I need to film some close-ups. That's very pretty. I might have to get a another cover with this color. It's very pretty. The inside is nice and soft. So there are some close-ups of the color that she's put on. And then she included a insert here. Let's take a look. This is these, oh, social media ideas. Oh, so there's a topic, short description, target date. Oh, this is very helpful because I'm so sporadic on Instagram and TikTok. I'm always having a difficult time keeping on top of those social media items. So that's really nice. Let's take a look in here. The extra care is just, I'm always so appreciative. She wraps the bookmarks because these, you know, are metal, and so that they don't ding. She wraps them up in these little cute baggies. So there's the moon here. Oh, that's really pretty. I wonder if my weeks will fit in. So I currently have my weeks on a cover, but I don't think it's going to fit because it's quite tight. I'm going to have to remove this. So if I have time, I will set it up, but I don't want this video to get too long. It's already at 15 minutes. So if you want me to set it up, please let me know and I will show you. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so let's move on because I know this video is getting too long. So the last one here I ordered is in the A6 size. Wow, this is the old, really old logo there. So let's see. So this is the original leather line. The leather color is called number 45 chocolate. The size is an A6 and the style is business. So that's the business style. So this is the business style with the 2 pockets here and then 1 full-length pocket in the back. And then on the back there is a secretarial pocket. So here it is, the A6. And this one, she's included 2 notebooks as well. And then this one has a leather tag. So let's take a look what it says inside. Well, it just says the number of the leather 45. And these, oh, I really like, oh, it's so pretty. So this is a blank insert that she's included. It looks like the paper is just part of some cutoff from before, which is, I really appreciate that she does that, so it's not gone to waste. If it's not your taste, you can definitely just use it as a scratch pad, but I feel like this paper is really nice, like Tomoe River maybe. So there's that book here, and then a second notebook here in the back. Here's the second notebook here, and this one is also blank, and it's a cream color, so you can see the difference, the cream color and then the white. And of course the notebooks, she even hand makes the notebooks, and so they're hand stitched, so you could tell the amount of work that goes into making these beautiful items. I really like this chocolate cover. It's really nice. Very happy with this. I'm using an A6 extra large A6. I'm using an extra large A6 for the 5-year, and this was I purchased this a long time ago. I want to say close to 5 years ago, because I remember holding this leather cover with me when I was having my daughter, and I had to stay at the hospital, and I would just kind of like hold on to it. It was like a comfort blanket almost. So yeah, that's the older logo there, and so it's been with me, I guess you could say 4 or 5 years. It's beautiful. So the extra large will hold the A6 Hobonichi 5-year planner or techo. This is just the regular A6 size, so there is a bit of extra there. But yes, I don't want this video to be too long, so I thought I would share with you. I always have such a wonderful time when I unbox her items. So once again, this is the A6 original in the number 45 chocolate in the business style, so it has the extra pockets on the inside here. I highly recommend you joining her Facebook group because she posts the sales there, as well as like the fandom sales where you can get these specific engravings and things. This is in the weeks, and the colorway is called Velvet Moon, and the style is the professional style. Okay, and this one is the original field notes folder for my field notes cover. And like I said, I'll leave the coupon code down below if you are interested. If you use the coupon code, you will receive this as a free gift. The corner, I'm not sure what you would call it. I think it's called the page flag holder, maybe. I will leave the proper terminology on the screen here, but it's really, really nice. And then of course I ordered an extra bookmark. I like to have these extra bookmarks as well. So if you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below, or you can email me. Like I said, I'm very sporadic on Instagram and social media, so I try my best to reply as soon as I can, but if you need a response right away, please feel free to email me. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being here. Thank you to Monique and Martin for your beautiful products. I will see you soon. Bye.